Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nellie. In today's video I'm going to be trying to do a leaky cup. I think this was actually invented by Jeremy from Massey Art Studios. If you're somehow seeing my channel before theirs, please go check them out because they are amazing. I will link them in my description box. So I'm just starting off with a dark green, I think it's like a phthalo green background color. This is a copper color I'm putting in the cup. Now this is my second time attempting the leaky cup, and I think still I have very liquidy paint, as you might be able to tell, but it's still not going through the holes very well, so I think I need to make the holes larger. So I've just got copper, some light blue, a red, and I'm going in with my little silicone straw to try and blow the paint through the holes a bit more. You can see as the paint's coming out, it's not keeping a flower shape like the leaky cup is supposed to do, so I'm pretty sure that my paint needs to be thicker and the holes need to be larger so the paint can flow through them. This is a gold color I'm putting in here. I think it's the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold. My canvas is also not level again, you can see it's all kind of pulling to the top of the canvas. This is a light blue. This is a side angle from my phone camera, which is not great, so it's not a very long shot of the side, but I just wanted to show you how it leaks out the bottom of the leaky cup. I also don't think my canvas was very tight. I'm not sure how to get that to happen. I have tried spraying some water on the back, but it didn't seem to do much. I don't know if it's the type of canvas I have. So I just swirled the middle because there was a lot of paint in the middle. And then I'm going to not torch it because I forgot. And I'm going to start stretching it out. There was a couple little goobers of paint stuck in here, so I just took some tweezers and pulled those out. This didn't at all turn out to look anything like a flower, but I still really like the look of it all. I think the colors are really nice. I didn't want to leave too much paint on there, so I'm trying to just move it around the paint to have some fall off the canvas so it doesn't crack as it dries. And then I'm going to torch it, and here is where I thought I was going to burn down the house because I had the torch up too high, but everything was fine. After this torch, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up because there's some really pretty multicolored cells there in the middle in that bluish green spot. So here's the close-up. I'm going to start in the top left corner where there is also some really pretty little cells popping through. I really love that little patch. Just, there's so many colors in there. And now I'm going to show you the dry results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!